Another day, another pungot day because I have cough and cold. And also fever. Yes, look at me guys. I am not feeling well. What medicine did the doctor give your baby? This is so viral. The cough and cold is so viral today. Do you know that when we went to the doctor, there are a lot of kids that have cough and cold. This is my medicine for antibacterial. And this is my antibiotic, Ambroxol. My baby will take it today, okay? Mahirap din bang ipatake yung baby nyo ng medicine? Same as my baby. Oh, look. I am not in a good mood, everybody. Yeah. Oh, look at me, everyone. I am not happy. I am not happy. I throw everything that mom gave me. Look, this is, oh no. See? You see that? Another one. Oh no. Another one, another one. Look, I'm gonna throw it. The spoon and fork. I will throw it. I will throw the spoon and fork. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So we will give Ambroxol first, 1 ml, as per advised by his Pedia. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I will drink a medicine. Na 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 na. Promise to mama, I'll be a good boy. I'll promise to mom. Ooh, it's not good. Ay, wawa mo ng bibi ko. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. How about... Uy, ang laki ng lamok. Ay, Ambroxol. Ang hirap niyang painumin mga moms ng gamot. Look. Hindi man. Oh no! Hello! Hello! Ang daming lamok.